let me show you guys the man himself, life in flesh, Draco. No cap. Come here. Here it is. Yo YouTube, it's your boy E10 back again with another video for you guys. Hey, I'm too gassed, man. I'm too gassed. You don't understand why. I mean, you do understand why, because the title is right there, innit? But hey, I just wanted you guys to know that my girlfriend, yes, my beautiful girlfriend, she's right here. Beautiful girlfriend, and got me a pet because my 21st birthday is coming on July. I know it's not July yet, but she likes to give me things early, which I appreciate that, and I appreciate this a lot. But hey, let me show you guys what I have got here. Let me show you guys the man himself, life in flesh, Draco. Here it is. There it is. This is Draco. You know what I'm saying? This is Draco right here. Say hi to the camera, Draco. Say hi. 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 Alright, this is my new child now. So yeah, man. This is my dog right here. This is my gangster. This is why I call him Draco. I want him to be gang so much. I'm gonna make a lot of videos teaching him, you know, things to do. But we're gonna climb fucking trees and shit. You know what I'm saying? Look at him. He likes when people do that one. But hey, there it is. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got for him. Whoops. Playing with his ball like the usual. There you go. Now watch when I grab it. Good. Fight! Fight! Fight him! Fight him! Don't let him hit you! Don't fight him! What? Don't let him hit you! Don't let him hit you! Alright, you see two ends now. It doesn't care? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, Draco, be his ass! Yeah, sir! Don't let him fight you! Yeah! 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 That's enough playing around. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys obviously the things that I got for him. So this is the traveling bag. Pretty sure you guys know what that is. So we got a few toys, you know, the little mat to put on the floor. You know what I'm saying? So that, you know what that is? This is a little scoop. You know, whenever you have poo in that, you need to clean it. Got that. You know, pretty sure I was gonna enjoy playing with this. Alright, one more shit. There it is. Some gloves, some treats, some cat treats. You know what this is, right? It's a collar. Another collar. So, my girlfriend got this. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. And then my mom got this one. There's the bowl, milk, food. Well, oh, we got this. So this is what the little playing ball came in. Where is it? This. That's how it came on. Oh yeah, another thing. The bed. Alright, this is the bed. outside, you know. Before he goes to bed, he can exercise a bit and then a few more things I need to show you guys. Since he's a baby, we got the milk to give him 3 times a day. You know, to get some strong bones. Got some food. Obviously this, the reason why it's on this little container is because the owner that the kitten was bought from I should say, she was generous, which I appreciated. She gave us some food, you know, in case we didn't have none ready. To give him, you know, the vibes. So yeah, man. What's this? Got some more food. Now I'm saying, look, white and black is in Drake. She was specially made for Draco. Draco, look. Look. So there's another color. So, hey, you got choices. You got options. I got Aunt Jackson. Things always push you things. Oh, not food. It says that belly, but it's Draco. Yeah, man. That's every tray. Wait, what else? Oh, I forgot to show you guys the cat litter. This, so they already took a piss. That's it. There's the cat litter, as you can see. Look. Yeah, I see the pee. Look, there's the pee. It doesn't smell or anything because it's a baby. It's a baby, man. You know what can I say? That's that. What else? What else? You all wanna see what he's doing? You all look at what he's doing. Playing with a PC. I told, like I said, anything that's a cable or he moves, plays with it. Watch the headset. The headset's right there. It's gonna fall in his head. Watch. So he can like, you gotta teach him small. You know what I'm saying? Watch. Carry on pushing it. Carry on. It's gonna fall. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. He hasn't seen this one though, because it's like a bit higher than his head. Look, that's the box for the fan. I already had it like time ago. Put it inside and he just goes inside and plays there and again. Oh yeah, another thing. Cats, they like anything that moves, right? Look at this. Look, there's a shadow, right? Look. He loves playing. Now look, I gotta make sure there's a shadow on the box. You won't be able to see it because of the camera angle. But there's a shadow on the box. That's why it's falling right now. Look. Whoopsie! But yeah, that's my pet. Actually, let's unbox these first. There is, I think there's a little, it's like a elastic band, so you can just, you know, like you're going fishing and that. So this looks quite good. Probably gonna be the favorite. Now we got the gloves. It says cat play gloves. Hours. I'm gonna lie to you lot. Oh, it's not more. Mine's a bit small. I have to like force it. Look, you can see what's a little small enough. I guess it is up. Like they said, I was a foot. Very cool here. Look, he came straight away.
Hey, look. Here. Look.
He always likes to pass it. Look at his body. Yeah, he wants food. Alright, we'll give you some food there. But anyways,